Morning students, today I am going to solve examples from exercise 7b, type 4 questions. Example 10, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6 and 12. First of all, we find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Example 12. Example 10. LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 6, 8, 12. Is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Now a smallest 3-digit number. A smallest number of 3 digits is equal to smallest number of 3 digits equal to 24. 100 dividing 100 by 24. Divided by 24. Hence, the required is equal to 120. In example 11, determine the largest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Example. Largest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. First of all, we find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is equal to dividing बराबर 2 × 4 = 45, 120. Now largest 3-digit number. Largest number of 3 digits. Largest number of 3 digits is equal to 999. On dividing 999 by 120. 12 by 8 is 96. 0, 9, 3, hence required number is equal to required number is equal to 999 minus 300 39 is equal to 9 minus 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 960. Hence, required number is equal to 900. First of all, we find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. The LCM is 120. Now, largest number of 3 digits is equal to 999. Dividing 999 by 120, we get a remainder as 39. So, required 3-digit number, largest 3-digit number will be 999 minus remainder 39 is equal to 960. Now I am going to solve example 12, 13, all are same, and now find the least number which when divided by 15, 20 and 48 leaves a remainder 9 in each case. Example 16. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 cm, 85 cm and 90 cm respectively. What is the maximum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete step? To solve this problem, first of all we find the LCM of the given number. The LCM of the given number will be required minimum distance to find the. So it is very easy problem. In the example 15, 3 bells ring at intervals of 20, 24 and 32 seconds. If they ring together, after what time will they ring together again? 3 घंटियाँ 20, 24 और 32 सेकंड के अंतराल पर बजती है. इफ़ दे रिंग टुगेदर, अगर वे एक साथ बजती हैं, आफ्टर व्हाट टाइम विल दे रिंग टुगेदर अगेन, तो वह पुनः एक साथ कितने बजे बजेंगी? तो हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 bells will ring together after a time equal to the LCM of 20, 24 and 32 seconds. Now we find the LCM of 20, 24 and 32. Example 15. Example 15. LCM of 20, 24 and 32. 20, 24 and 32 is equal to 32 divided by 2, 10, 12, 16, again divided by 2, 5, 6, divided by 2, 5, 3, 4. Now LCM is equal to LCM बराबर 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 दूनी 4 दूनी 8 45 या 120 चौका तो 480 सेकेंड is equal to 480 seconds. Now we convert it into hours and minutes. We divide 480 by 60, dividing 480 by 60 is equal to 60 is equal to 8. And after 8 seconds they will ring together. Hence 3 bells will ring together. Hence 3 three bells will ring together after 8 seconds. तीन घंटियाँ 20, 24 और 32 सेकंड के अंतराल पर बजती है। यदि वे एक साथ बजना शुरू करे तो पुनः वह फिर कितने सेकंड के बाद एक साथ बजेंगे? Three bells will ring together again will be the LCM of 20, 24 and 32. So we first of all find the LCM of 20, 24 and 32. The LCM we get 480 seconds, and to convert it into minute we divide 480 by 60 is equal to 8 seconds. Hence the three bells will ring together after 8 seconds. So now you can try to solve the examples. Examples has been completed, and I give you task to complete exercise 7B. In next class I will start exercise 7B. Thank you.